ESL Express!
Hi there! Today we're going to learn some common verbs we use when talking about household chores. These words will help you describe your daily tasks at home. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the verb clear. Clear the table after dinner. Clear the table after dinner. Clear out the old clothes from your closet. Clear out the old clothes from your closet. Next is cook. We use this verb when we prepare food. Cook pasta for dinner tonight. Cook pasta for dinner tonight. Cook a meal for your family. Cook a meal for your family. Now let's look at the verb do. We use do for many different chores. Do the laundry on Saturdays. Do the laundry on Saturdays. Do your homework before watching TV. Do your homework before watching TV. Walk is next. This verb is simple, but it's important. Walk the dog every morning. Walk the dog every morning. Walk around the house to get some exercise. Walk around the house to get some exercise. Make is used to create or put something together. Make the bed when you wake up. Make the bed when you wake up. Make a shopping list for the week. Make a shopping list for the week. Finally, we have tidy. This means to clean up or organize. Tidy your room before guests come over. Tidy your room before guests come over. Now it's time to test what you've learned. I'm going to show you some pictures and give you a hint. Can you guess the correct verb? Let's see how many you can. How did you do? Did you guess all the verbs correctly? Keep practicing these words and they'll become part of your daily